Take out the machine and its accessories. Install holders. There are 2 spare fuses which can replace a broken one in the machine. When the fuse in the machine is broken, use a screwdriver to take it out and replace it with a spare one. Install filter. There are 4 small rubber rings and 2 large rubber rings on the filter, which can be replaced with spare ones when necessary. Please note, install the filter correctly. If it is not inserted fully into the hole, air may get in and there will be no vacuum. Connect the ultrasonic handpiece to the machine. Connect the bio handpiece to the machine. Connect the scrubber to the machine. Connect the hot and cold handpiece to the machine. There are A and B bottles. Pour some liquid nutrient or cleansing liquid into bottles, such as AHA solution. There's a liquid waste bottle at the back of the machine. When this bottle is full, you need to empty the liquid waste out of the bottle before use. Put all the hand pieces into corresponding holders. Connect the power cord to the socket of the machine. Press the power switch to start the machine, and then function selection interface will appear. Choose proper function based on your needs. Press function button and choose bio function. Set parameters. Time range is 0 to 60, 10 to 15 minutes is recommended. Energy range is 0 to 9, 3 to 7 is recommended. Mode A is recommended. Mode A, constant working mode, suitable for dry, rough, and dark-toned skin. Mode B, discontinuous working mode with high frequency, suitable for first-time users. Mode C, discontinuous working mode with low frequency, suitable for those with dark-toned skin. Apply dedicated gel or face essence evenly to the target area before treatment. Press button to begin the treatment. Press button to stop the treatment. Press function button and choose ultrasound function. Set parameters. 10 to 15 minutes is recommended. 3 to 7 NS level is recommended. Mode A is recommended. Mode A, constant working mode. That is the handpiece works constantly after stop button is pressed. Mode B, discontinuous working mode. That is the handpiece works discontinuously after stop button is pressed. Apply dedicated gel or face essence evenly to the target area before treatment. Press button to begin the treatment. Press button to stop the treatment. Press function button and choose the scrubber function. Set parameters. 5 minutes is recommended. Press the button on the scrubber to begin the treatment. One press is to cleanse pores, suitable for those with rough skin, large and blocked pores. 2 presses are to promote skin's absorption of nutrients, suitable for those with dry skin. 3 presses are to firm skin, suitable for those with saggy skin. Press button to stop the treatment. Press function button and choose spray function. Set parameters. 5 to 8 minutes is recommended. Pour liquids into the bottle, which can be clear water, toner, normal saline, liquid essence, and so on. Choose proper liquid based on skin's situation. Press the button on the spray handpiece to begin the treatment. Press button to stop the treatment. Press function button and choose hydro function. Set parameters. 5 minutes is recommended. Adjust the suction and the amount of water based on customer's endurance. Turning the knob on the control panel clockwise is to increase suction, and turning it anti-clockwise is to decrease suction. Turning the tail part of the handpiece to adjust the amount of water. Please note, pay attention to the amount of water as a working tip. Try to keep skin moistened during the treatment, otherwise there will be discomfort. Press button to stop the treatment. Press function button and choose hot and cold function. Set parameters. 5 to 10 minutes is recommended, and 3 to 7 at this level is recommended. Mode A, cold function. Mode B, hot function. Apply dedicated gel or face essence even into the target area before treatment. Turn off the machine and unplug it. Sanitize the handpieces for next time use.